Welcome back. We are going to monitor on this year term 3 geography lesson 2. Yes, your lesson name is that is maps and globe. What? Maps and globe. Yes, at present here we are going to focus on maps. Regarding maps, we are going to learn. We are going to study about maps. See what is meant by map? Yes. See, already you know that. See, map, that is, it is a visual representation of an entire area or a part of it, that is which drawn on paper or a cloth. Yes, see, anyhow it refers a visual, that is visual representation of an entire area. Yes, it always refers only a place alone. Yes, see, not about any other thing, right? So it always refers a places alone. Yes, so it is a visual representation. Yes, anyhow both maps and globe are the same. Yes, so there is only one variation in between these maps and globe. What is the variation? What is the difference between both maps and globe? Yes, both are same. That is in structural measures, structural features. Yes, so both are same in the structural features, but there is only one variation between these two, that is maps and globe. What is that? That is, this is the maps, or the maps can refer the what? Written process, and globe can refer the material, that is designed process. Yes, so that is the variation, that is the difference between both maps and globe. Yes, so here at present we are going to seek about only maps. Yes, so later we study about that globe. Yes, so map is a visual representation of an entire area or a part of it, right? So anyhow it always represents the places. Yes, so and this which is drawn, which is the drawn one by the human being. Yes, so by a person. See, it may be on the paper or cloth. Yes, so that is the map, and it contains, see, three types. So it consists of three types. See, what are the three types? Static or dynamic map. Yes, static. What does mean by static? The word static is nilayana, right? So the permanent. Yes, it never changes, right? So that is a static or dynamic map. And the second type is interactive. Yes, urayadudal. That is always used to communicate any other. It always used to compare anything, right? So it always acts. That is, it won't act individually. It always act with any other thing, right? So interactive map. And the third one is two-dimensional or three-dimensional map. So two-dimensional or three-dimensional map. See, what is mean by dimensional? Dimension. What does mean by dimension? So it is a shape. So two-dimensional or three-dimensional, that is it, which mean the shape which is to be measured. Yes, see, already you studied in your mathematics. That's length into breadth into height. Yes, so L into B into H, you know that, length or breadth. So which is to be measured always. So dimension means shape which is to be measured, right? So three types of map: that is static or dynamic map, interactive map, two-dimensional or three-dimensional map. Yes, so that's it. Next, it represents, that is, map always represents various things like. So it always represents what? It is always insisting. Yes, see these things. What are the things? Physical features of your place, political boundaries, climate, natural resources, roadways and railways, and so on, so, right? So there are many things, right? So here they have given only these things. So physical features. What does mean by physical features? See, physical means already you know that udal. Yes. So udal features means amsangal. So udal amsangal. That is physical features of places, especially places, because map only, it always refer only the places alone. Yes. So not about any other things. Yes. So it always refers a place alone, places alone. And the political boundaries. What does mean by political? Arasiyal, illegal. Boundaries means border, right? So political boundaries means what? Arasiyal, illegal. Next, climate. So we are having the changes in climate. We used to have always changing in climate. Yes, kala illegal, right? Then natural resources. Already you know that. You well known about the natural resources, that is Iyarkai Valangal. Yes, and roadways, Salaigal, then railways. Yes, so rail nilayangal. That's all about the natural resources, roadways and railways, right? So and what is mean by physical features, right? So udal amsangal. So what is mean by physical features here? Yes, in map, especially in map. So it always consists of, it always explain about the, that is features. So features means amsangal. So what are the features involved in this map? That is, see, already we have studied about that. That is plateaus, plains, oceans, continents, right? So these are all the features, right? But especially biosphere. What does mean by biosphere? See, it is the main content in this physical features. See, what does mean by biosphere? It is an ecosystem. Yes. See, let me explain about that. See, biosphere means, yes. So biosphere is an ecosystem. Yes. It contains, it refers what? It always refers, there is three types. What? That is atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. So what does mean by these three? First, atmosphere means, which mean air. Yes, which is based on air. And hydrosphere, which mean water, right? And lithosphere, which mean that is earth, universe, right? So atmosphere, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So we are intaking what? Oxygen, and outgiving what? Carbon dioxide. So while breathing, that is the breathing process. Yes. So we are intaking oxygen and outgiving carbon dioxide. So that is the atmosphere. It always based on the air. And hydrogen, it is what? H2. What? Water, right? And lithosphere. Lithosphere means what? So earth, right? So hydrogen means, you know that, based on water. Water, that is the formula H2O, right? And hydrogen means H2, but water means what? H2O, right? And here oxygen. Yes, so lithosphere means what? That is earth, universe, the whole universe, right? So these three are the biosphere. Yes, why I am mentioning this here means, see, it involves, it especially refer regarding biosphere. So that is the main physical feature of map, right? And remaining things already you know that. So it is always fulfilled with the plateaus, plains, continents, islands, ocean. Yes. So already I explained you that is 29% is fulfilled with what? Islands and continents, and remaining 71% is fulfilled with full of water, the fresh water, right? The next one is political boundaries, that is அரசியல் எல்லைகள். So already we well known about that. Few borders: Kerala border, Karnataka border, India border and the Tamil Nadu border. We know a few things only, right? So we should aware of the political boundaries. So which is our Tamil Nadu border, that is Hosur. Yes. So the next to Hosur, the this Bangalore state. Bangalore is placed there, right? So that is the Karnataka. Bangalore is there. So Hosur, up to Hosur is the Tamil Nadu, right? So Hosur our Tamil Nadu border, right? So we should be aware of our border, right? So that is the political boundaries. Next, climate. So climate, according to the climate, that's according to the weather, the climate may change, right? So we are having the 4 seasons. So according to that seasons only, the climate may change. Yes, what are the 4 seasons? So what are the 4 seasons we are having? Yes, summer, winter, autumn, spring. Yes. So according to these 4 seasons only, the climate may change, right? And the natural resources. So இயற்கை வளங்கள், we know about that. So it is fulfilled with what? Yes, land, water, air. Yes. So இயற்கை வளங்கள். Yes. Then roadways and railways. சாலைகள், ரயில் நிலையங்கள். Yes. So regarding that. So that's all about this. So these are all the representation of map. And the final one, sketch map. What does mean by sketch map? See, this is the important one. It is a map. It is also a map which we may not be able to infer the actual distance. So we cannot able to get this. We can't able to guess the actual distance of this map. Yes. So that is the sketch map. Yes. So that is a place. There are many places, but we cannot able to measure the actual distance. Yes. So that place, that process is named to be what? Sketch map. And we are having many types of maps. Yes. So structured one. So anytime all the thing will be a structured one, which is done by a person, right? So that is the map. But we are having many types of map. What are the maps? It is political map, India outline map, yes, and world map, yes. So there are many, and boundary, India boundaries, yes, border, India borders, right? So these are all the types of map. See, especially we will use for your examination, right, students? Yes. So these are all the fact of maps. Yes. So that's all about this. I hope you all understand, students. Thank you for being a part of this session. Yes. So in future coming videos, let's we learn about the globe. Thank you.